full of love laughing, the job that slowly kills you, bruises that won't heal. You look so tired and happy, bring down a government. Oh, they don't speak for us.